What's up, everybody? This is Scott, the Paramedic MT. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a different video for you. This is going to be talking about how to be successful in your EMS career, or pretty much any career, right? So as I proctor EMT courses, I meet a lot of hopeful EMTs looking for a good start to a good career, and I want to give you some tips that'll put you on the path to success. Right? So tip number one: be motivated, show initiative, and have a positive attitude. Right? If you show you care, you show you're interested in developing and learning new things, your FTOs, your instructors, your proctors are going to invest time in you to match your efforts. And this isn't something that you can really fake. You can't be disingenuous about it. Your actions have to match your work ethic. So, put forth your best effort every time. You need to distinguish yourself by stepping up, taking on assignments that are challenging, assignments other people shy away from. And when those special training opportunities become available, you'll be rewarded by being selected, right? That additional training that you get will create additional opportunities and some responsibilities, but they will go towards advancement, towards additional pay and special assignments. Remember, you chose this career, so embrace it, right? No one's forcing you to stay in it. You made a choice. You invested money, your time. You took several tests to get this job. So make the most of that choice. Tip number two is managing your ego. As you develop skills and experience, use that knowledge to your benefit and to benefit others. No matter how much you know, whether you're an EMT or paramedic, it's never going to make you better than anybody else. And you'll never know everything. So don't act salty, don't get salty. Ego is the number one killer. Ego kills teams, and it destroys organizations. So don't be above doing simple chores around the station, right? Clean out the ambulance. Go clean the bathroom. Restock the shelves, right? Be a leader within your organization. To be a leader, you got to be a servant. You got to set the example. Leaders build up the teams. They build up the next generation. They invest that time. Right? In our profession, lives are on the line, so we don't get to keep secrets from the next generation because it helps us get ahead or personal gain. So share what you know. Educate. Like be a part of building the future. Also, you got to be humble. You got to be teachable. There's always something that you can learn. There's always something that you don't know. It's okay to admit that you don't know something. You got to be humble. You got to ask for help. Sometimes you mess up, and when you do, you got to own that situation, right? So take the opportunity to sort of analyze what went wrong, how your actions played into that mistake, accept the feedback or criticism, and because that's important for your future growth and personal growth. Don't take it personal. Don't make it personal. Mistakes are going to happen. There's going to be consequences, but face them, learn from them, correct them, and apply those lessons. Finally, tip number three is be nice, right? You're in the people business here. So your customer base is calling EMS today because it's probably the worst day of their life. They need your help. They need your attention. They need your care. And a kind word, a smile, a comforting touch can change a life. Remember, you chose this profession. You chose to help people, so go out and do it. Again, just some basic tips today on being successful as you start off in your EMS career. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.